Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I'm at the Tamiya Hornet EVO. I finished building this. You just gotta wait for my videos coming up. It's the paint job. I tried something new. It came out super weird and cool. So don't miss that. Stay tuned. But an important thing on this chassis I missed when I was building it in the tips. Let me show you guys. You see these rubber O-rings? They give you quite a few of them. You gotta get one of these or something, or a cut silicone hose, and you gotta put it inside the drive cups on the gearbox. One O-ring on each side. Put it inside there before you put the dog bones, because if you don't, when you spin the wheels like this, I noticed this bottom dog bone was coming out so far it was actually popping and grinding and popping. So make sure when you build it, put a rubber O-ring right down inside the outdrive cup on each side of the gearbox. That way you won't have the problem. It'll be smooth. That was one major thing. I don't know why I didn't tell you to put anything in there, but like I said, I noticed when I was turning it like this, it would just bind up and pop from the outside drive cup because it was coming out almost. So like I said, put one inside that on the gearbox side so it pushes the drive dog bone into the wheel side more, and it'll be fine. Other than that, chassis is cool, really nice. One more look at it. Everything on it's nice. It's brand new. I gotta run it now. Like I said, I finished up the paint. I have a full video on how to do the paint job I'm gonna do on mine, so make sure you check that out. And it'll be coming up probably Friday on the channel, so get ready. And then I'll have to run this, but I don't know when I'm gonna be able to run it because it's been raining. It's ice cold out now. I have to wait till it gets warmer and dries up a little bit because I don't want to run it in the ball field or anything with all the damp sand that makes a mess and it sticks on everything. So also I put the rubber O-rings on here for a body protector. Well, that's it guys. I just wanted to share that tip with y'all because that was clunky in the rear and that fixed it up at what I said to do. And stay tuned for my next video. You don't want to miss it, trust me. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Steve here, RC. Later with the Tamiya Hornet EVO Beauty.